So yesterday we were to continue our work on our faces, and hopefully by now these faces are done. Okay, these things should be done. If they're not done, then what I would suggest is the fact that you are probably behind. Okay, so you want to make sure these things get done if they're not done right away ASAP, and you should be working on your value scale. This value scale, you guys, you were to have 3 rows of pencil at the top, 3 rows of practicing from a dark to a light at the top, and then 3 rows of dark to light in colored pencil at the bottom. And you want to practice it 1 row at a time. Okay, you don't want to do all the dark area here and then work wherever. It just turns into one big value scale. You want to make sure you're doing 1 row at a time. Now once you have a value scale established, that means that you can easily make 8 different values in a shape or in an object or on whatever you want to draw. So today we're going to show you how you can transfer all this value into 4 shapes. So what you'll do is you will get another piece of paper, and you're going to fold this piece of paper 2 times. 1, 2. Okay, then we're going to open it back up. And that gives us 4 boxes. Now, in the upper left box, we're going to draw a cylinder. So it's an oval at the top, straight walls down, curved line at the bottom. Okay, over here we're going to draw a triangle or cone. The difference between a cone and a triangle is the cone has a curved bottom. Over here we're going to draw a sphere or a ball. And then over here we're going to draw a box. Now I'm going to show you how to add that value to all 4 of those shapes. Okay? Now in order for me to really show you the value, if I were to show you on this big piece, it would take almost all periods. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in and make it a lot smaller. Okay? And that way I can speed through the shading but yet show you all the steps that you need. So here is our cylinder. We'll put that guy up there like that. And then we'll do a cone. And we'll do a sphere. And then we'll do a box. Okay? Now we'll focus here on the cylinder first. Okay? One thing you want to establish is where the light source is coming from. So if the light is coming from this direction, okay, the light is coming from this direction here, all right, then the opposite side of this shape is going to be the darkest side. So this would be your value 1, the one where we started, where it's the darkest. And then you're going to slowly start to work that value this direction. As you work it this direction, you're going to get lighter and lighter and lighter, just like this. As we go to the point to where you don't have hardly any value here. So we're trying to get all 8 of those values in through here. Like so. And then if the sun's hitting here, the light source is hitting here, it's going to catch a little bit right here. And it's going to go quickly to a light, so we're just going to let that run like this. Straight from this, out the side, hook this way is going to be a cast shadow. And that will help ground your shape. Just like that. Okay? Now let's go over to the cone. Same deal here, light source coming from this direction. Now the difference between the cone and the cylinder is, on the cone, the dark part can be a little bit wider at the bottom, like normal, but then it's going to be compressed up here. Just like this. See how it's all compressed at the top? And then we're going to go cast shadow, cast shadow. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to go to the sphere, the ball. There he is. Light source here. On the ball, the shadow side here, and for some reason when I shade a ball like this, I like to shade in a circle motion like this. And it's kind of arched here to the light, so it's kind of angled toward the light. And again, we just keep getting lighter, lighter, lighter. Like this. Okay, there's the shade value on that. And then let's go to this guy. Now again here, if we have the light source coming here, this is easy. This means this back side is all shaded. This side is a little bit darker there, but then it's going to come out and they'll all have one value over here. And right here, dark right here. And then quickly to a light. And then the cast shadow. It would look like that. So now if I were to zoom out just a tad, you're going to see those four shapes. Okay? And that's what we want you to work on next, is putting these values on your four shapes. Okay?